Hey everyone, welcome back to the Car Vault, your go-to destination for honest and detailed car reviews. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Nissan Pathfinder Hybrid, a perfect blend of power, efficiency, comfort, and tech for families and adventurers alike. Let's go step by step and see what makes this SUV a game-changer in its class. Exterior design. First up, the design. The 2026 Pathfinder Hybrid gets a bold and muscular look. The front grille is larger and more upright, giving it a confident presence. Sleek LED headlights and daytime running lights give it a sharp, modern edge. The side profile shows off strong lines and large alloy wheels, while the rear features new LED taillights and a cleaner, more aerodynamic shape. Overall, it looks both rugged and refined. Powertrain and hybrid system. Now let's talk performance. Under the hood, the Pathfinder Hybrid features a 2.5-liter petrol engine, paired with Nissan's advanced e-Power hybrid system. Unlike traditional hybrids, this system uses the engine to charge the battery, while the wheels are driven by electric motors. That means instant torque, smooth acceleration, and better fuel efficiency, around 18 to 20 kilometers per liter, perfect for city drives and long trips. Driving experience. Behind the wheel, the Pathfinder Hybrid feels composed and confident. Thanks to the electric drive system, you get silent starts and smooth transitions. The ride quality is excellent, thanks to improved suspension tuning. It handles corners well, absorbs bumps easily, and the steering is light but responsive, making it easy to maneuver even in tight spaces. Interior design and comfort. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a premium, spacious cabin. The materials feel soft touch and high quality, with leather options available in higher trims. The Pathfinder can seat up to 7 passengers comfortably. Nissan's zero-gravity seats in the front row make long drives more relaxing, and there's excellent legroom and headroom in all 3 rows. Practical features and storage. Nissan has paid attention to real-world needs. The Pathfinder Hybrid offers flexible seating options, including second-row captain's chairs. The third row folds flat easily, expanding your cargo space. With all seats folded, you get plenty of room for gear, luggage, or even large shopping hauls. It's ideal for families who need space and flexibility. Safety and driver assistance. Safety is a big highlight. The Pathfinder Hybrid comes with Nissan's Safety Shield 360 as standard. This includes automatic emergency braking, blind spot warning, lane departure alert, rear cross traffic alert, and more. You also get adaptive cruise control and a full 360-degree camera system, which is super helpful in both off-road and urban settings. Fuel efficiency and cost savings. Let's not forget the fuel savings. Thanks to the hybrid system, you're looking at up to 20 kilometers per liter depending on how you drive. That's a huge win for anyone tired of frequent fuel stops. And over time, this SUV will save you thousands in fuel costs, while also being kinder to the environment. Final verdict and outro. To wrap it up, the 2026 Nissan Pathfinder Hybrid is a smart, spacious, and stylish SUV that fits modern families perfectly. It brings serious hybrid performance, plenty of space, smart features, and great fuel economy, all in one attractive package. Thanks for watching the Car Vault. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews like this one. See you next time.